Hello everyone, this is Aditya. Our project title is Weather-Based Prediction of Wind Turbine Energy Output. Wind turbine power generation depends on weather conditions like wind speed, temperature and pressure. Our objective to predict wind turbine energy output using machine learning. We collected historical weather data and turbine output data. Then we performed pre-processing like removing missing values and normalization. We applied machine learning algorithms like linear regression and random forest regression. Random forest give better accuracy. We observed a strong correlation between wind speed and power output. This graph shows predicted versus actual values. We observed a strong correlation between wind speed and power output, and this graph is predicted versus actual values, and we evaluated the model performance using R square score and mean absolute error, and now I am running the web-based wind energy prediction application using Python backend server. The application is running on the local server, and this is a home page of our system. Now click on the button. After clicking predict wind energy output, we move to the prediction page. Here the user selects a city from drop down list to fetch real-time weather information. Now I select the city Hyderabad and check the weather. The system fetches a wind speed automatically based on selected city, and here enter the theoretical power in kWh. For example, 500, and after click predict button. After clicking predict energy, the trained machine learning model processes the weather data and theoretical energy input and displays the predicted wind turbine energy output. The model is trained on using random forest regression and integrated with real-time weather-based interface for accurate energy forecasting. Conclusion: this system demonstrates how machine learning can improve renewable energy forecasting. Thank you.